Good evening. How are you doing today? Happy Wednesday. So, it's been a while since I came here live. I want to talk to you about deadlines. I've been preparing a lot of things for nonprofits. I've been working with a lot of people and catching up with their bookkeeping, with their taxes, and more. But I wanted to come and talk to you because, I love talking to you. So, if you do not know yet, this is a new YouTube channel I started for taxes because I wanted to separate the content for nonprofits and the content for business and taxes. So you can find things better. So I have now two YouTube channels in English, one for taxes and businesses, and the other one is for nonprofits. So Noura's Books remains for nonprofits, and this channel is for business taxes and taxes in general. So, if you have not filed your taxes for the business earlier in the year, back in 2024, back in March, for your S corp or partnership, that means you hopefully made an extension, because if you haven't done an extension, that means you're going to pay a lot in penalties. So if you have made an extension, it's time for you to file. September 15 is your deadline. So if you did not catch the deadline, there is no further extension. So you must file by September 15. If you are late in filing, then you will have to pay penalty, non-filing penalty. And that is going to be 220 per return, no, not per return, per partner, per month. So if you're solo alone, you're gonna pay 220 for each month. So 2 month late, that means 220 multiplied by 2, that's 440, then 660, then 880, and moving forward. And then if you have more than one, let's say you have two, that is 440 per month. If you have three partners, that means 660 per month, and you do the math moving forward. So it's not something you can neglect or you can ignore for now, because you're going to accumulate a lot of debt for the IRS, and you don't want to do that. You want to make sure you stay in compliance with the IRS. You want to make sure you file on time. So make sure you file before September 15. And if you do not have a tax professional or you're looking for someone new, feel free to reach out to me. I'm still taking clients who wants to file for their business, for individuals, and for nonprofits. I am taking clients who wants to file right now and through the extension. So make sure you are aware of that. Make sure you file on time, and let me know if you have any question. I'm here with you live. I'll be taking questions if you have any. Even if you come in the replay and you want to ask any question, feel free to put a comment wherever you are watching, on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. You can put a question under the video, and I will be checking the comments and I will answer your question. Now, I get a lot of questions from people who have LLC. How should they file for their LLC? Now, if you are alone, solo for your LLC, you did not elect to be elected as an S corp, that means you have to file with your personal return. You're gonna file Schedule C within your personal return. However, if you have a partner, whether that partner is your spouse or someone else, that means now you became a partnership. That means your taxes are due usually on March 15. When you do an extension, that means September 15. So that means you have to file a totally different return. So instead of filing one individual return, you're going to file your business return and then individual return, even though you are registered as an LLC. This is very important, and this is a common mistake I don't want you to get into. I want you to think big if you want to make an impact on your personal level, on the community level, on a global level, whatever that impact you want to do, you want to think big. So part of thinking big is to stay in compliance, to make sure you are aware of what you want to do, to make sure you are doing what you're supposed to be doing in terms of compliance. Keep your business in a good standing with the IRS, with your state, because every single thing matter with your business. You don't want to lose opportunities just because you didn't do the right thing, okay? So make sure you file if you did not file yet. Make sure you talk to your tax professionals if you do not have one or you are looking to a new one. I can serve you wherever you are. I work virtually with the clients nationwide, even if you are residing and maybe somewhere else, like maybe you are you have a filing requirement in the US, but you live abroad. I still can work with you. I can help you. Everything happens virtually. I have a secure portal that I can help you with. So make sure you file on time. Make sure you do not neglect filing your return. Now, if you have an LLC with solo, you don't have partners, and or if you are just on W-2 and or you have 1099 or whatever, you for your personal returns, also I can help you for your personal returns, because I talk a lot about business returns and nonprofit returns. So people think I don't do personal, but yes, I do personal returns. So I can help you with your personal returns as well. Make sure you reach out to me. You can book a call. I'm still taking clients again for this mini tax season, the extension tax season. So you can reach out to me. All right. So that's it for today. I wanted to remind you of your taxes. If you have done an extension, I want to make sure you are in compliance. I want to make sure you don't forget that. Share this video with people who might be benefiting from it. Let them know to subscribe to my channel, to follow me on social media, so you can get notification whenever I get live. Talk to you soon. Have a great evening.